Good day, doctor. My name is Kenny with biometric number 269426. Now I'm going to present about my mobile application, which named Construction Equipment. So let's run this program. And so this is the splash screen of my application. And as the user, they have to sign up an account first, then only they can log into the application. And also they must enter all the field here. If not, they will get this message that enter their email and password. And then click the register and click OK. And it will display a welcome message and tell the user that the registration is success. And at the same time, in the database here, the admin can see the registration that made by the user. And here I have the username, the password, and the OTP, and then that register. And also, user will also receive the email in the spam to ask them to verify their account. And they will get success. And then only they can register, log into their account. And then when they click this remember me, it will display that the user is remembered. And next time when they want to log in, they don't have to enter again their information here. And they can straight to log in to the application. And also the forgot password here. If the user is forgot their password, they can enter the recovery email here. And then the user have to make sure that their email is keyed in correctly, and then submit. And it will display that check the email. So the user have to check their email. Here or reset their password. And then this is the new password for the user to log in their account. If they use the old password, for example, and then they log in, it will display login failed. So they have to use the new password. Before they use the new password here, they have to reactivate the account first, and then they will get the success. And then only they can use this new password. And then remember me, and then log in. Here. And then here is the main screen of the application. And in here, I have a drawer here so that the user can see their profile, manage their address, and also to contact us. So in this My Profile, the user can click the photo here to add the photo from the camera or even album, for example, camera. And then the user also can crop the image. And then also here the user can edit their username and also their phone number. But they have to click this edit button first. And also and here for the album, they can choose the photo from the album and also can crop the image. So once they click the save button, the information will update to the database also. Here it is. And also if the user want to update again, they also click this button, edit button, and then update the information. Save again and update again. And the username will also update. So next is the manage address here. At here, user can add the many address here. they can add their message, add their address at here. And then this is the Google Map, and the user can zoom in and also can zoom out, and they also can move to the location they want. And then done. Then their address will added here, and they can add many address. And then it will update here also. Of course, they can delete their address by clicking the delete button here, and their address will be deleted. And also at the database here, the user information will be saved at here, the address. Then is the contact us here. User can contact to the admin with the contact number that listed here. And then this logout button, of course, is logout to the login screen. And in the main screen here, user can choose the category of the products, for example, services. It will only displays all the types, services type and renting types. All is the renting, and also the products. Then this all is listed all. And it has the search function here. For example, search the name for the product and then click the search button, and it will display only the products that have the name wrote. So for and then I have created 3 screens for each type of the product. For example, renting screen. For the renting screen, it is something like that, and the price here is count according days. For example, one day is 60 and today is 120. So it will count the total price for the renting here. And then a user can add to the cart, and then at the cart you'll have the product that the user added. And here is the code for the renting screen. Of course, it is linked to the database. So in my database here, for my cart table, here will display the items that user added just now. And then next is the service type. For this service type, user can enter the feet long at here, for example, 20. And then when they click the calculate button, the total price will counted here, and they can click to add to the cart. And then the cart will display here. And then this is the code for the service screen. This is the add bar and the body here. I have used the network image for the image of the products, of the services. And then down here is the container for the design to pass the details of the services. And I have a calculate button here, and I will use the elevator button and also the add cart button. Then this is the calculation for the total price of the feet long. Then next is the products. For these products, user just have to click the add cart button to add the products to the cart. If they want 2 products, then they just have to click again. Then this is the product screen code. This is the add bar, the body. I've also used an network image here. And this also send past the values and the add cart button. And I have also this link, the PHP link. And then in my cart page, here down here total is the total payment that user have to make. It is also the total of these items in the cart. And of course, our user can delete the item here. For example, this, and it will delete it. And also the user also can edit the quantity of the item, for example, too, and also the total payment here also will be increased. And when they click the checkout button, the user can choose their address here and leave a message, for example, maybe 1 p.m. And then they can pick a delivery time also. And then down here is the list of their item in their cart. And then down here is the total payment again. And when the user click the pay button, here is how the user make their payment. Here will display the information of the user, for example, their name and their email, and this total payment. And they will make the payment with the bill please and click the pay button, a successful payment. And they will get the receipt here with the receipt ID, this, and their email, the amount, and the payment status, and the address and the message they leaked just now. Of course, at the database here, I have a table products here and also the table purchase here. For this table purchase, it will record the payment that made by the user. For example, this is the latest payment that made just now, which it will have the purchase ID, the username, user email of the user, the total price, the payment paid status, and address, and also the additional message here. And then for this products table, this is the list of all the products that display at the main screen of the mobile of this application. And at here, user can press the back button to return to the app. And of course, when they return to the app, they will realize that the card is clear because they already have made their payment. And also, the admin can add a bill please of the admin. They can also see that the billing here. Okay, this is the history, transaction history for the payment, for the user. So, and then at the code here, I have created many screen here. And for example, on this screen, splash screen, main screen, login screen, registration screen. This, and of course, I also have the constructor here, and I have 4. This is for the address, and this is the payment, and this is for my product, and this is for my user here. So that's all for me. Thank you.